Dear students, we have discussed the maximum part of the topic magnetic effects of current. Now, the last part of this topic deals with the domestic circuit, its issues and safety. In domestic circuits, we use three types of wires: leaf wire with color code red, neutral wire with color code black, and earth wire with color code green. Some problems occur in domestic circuits. By domestic circuit, we mean the circuits which we use in our homes. One problem is called as overloading. Now, what is overloading? When we connect high power rating devices to a circuit with greater power rating than the permitted limit, what happens? The circuit draws more and more current. Drawing of excessive current by the circuit heats up the wires and causes fire. This situation is called as overloading. Suppose if we have a circuit, we here use the heater. On the same circuit, we use a boiler. And on the same circuit, we use a fridge. And wires are thinner. What will happen? The circuit will draw excessive current, and that excessive current will be greater than the permitted limit of these wires. With the result, the wires will heat up and they will produce fire. Second situation which occurs in domestic circuit, second problem, that is called a short circuit. Now, what is short circuit? When leaf wire, say it is leaf wire here naked, this is the neutral wire, here is naked. For example, if these two naked parts of these two wires come in direct contact with each other, this situation is called a short circuit. This decreases the resistance of the circuit, and with the result, a huge current flows through the circuit, and that current heats up the wires and produces fire. This situation is called as short circuit. Now, how can we prevent overloading? How can we prevent the short circuit? The joint measures are here. We can prevent these problems like overloading and short circuit by using good quality wires. By using only permitted devices. If a circuit is of 5 ampere power rating, we should not use heater, boiler like devices on this circuit. Similarly, we can use heater, boiler, etc. on the circuit with wires of 15 ampere power rating. And the third thing, preventive measure, we should insulate all the naked parts of the joints like this, so that the chance of direct contact will be reduced to zero. The joints should be tight because loose joints produce sparking, and sparking produces heat, and heat burns the wires and causes fire. Fourth thing, use fuse of proper rating. What is a fuse? Fuse is a device which breaks the circuit in case of the overloading or short circuit. A fuse consists of a wire with lower melting point than the melting point of the wires. What happens, for example, this is a wire. Here we use a small thin fuse. Generally, we use tin fuses or fuse of alloy wires. When greater current flows due to overloading or short circuit, this fuse melts, the circuit breaks, and with the result, it prevents the damage to the circuit, and it also prevents the causing of fire. And fifth measure is the use of circuit breaking devices. Circuit breaking devices are special devices. If they are used on the main switchboard, what will happen in case of overloading or short circuit? They themselves break the current, break the circuit, and prevent the damage to the circuit. Thanks.